These are the top 5 deadliest siren sounds in the world. And the last one, it's seriously spine-chilling. But first, they say you'll have incredible luck tomorrow if you like and subscribe before this video ends. First is the diaphone. This one sounds like a monster waking up. Next, the Yamaha music siren. It's calm at first, until it isn't. Third is the Siro drone. This feels less like a warning and more like a threat. Now, the EOS 612. It's loud, relentless, and feels like it knows where you live. And finally, the ACA P50. If this one goes off, don't ask questions, just run.